It's Aubrey here. Today I'm doing the Eureka Math Grade 5 Module 4 Lesson 18 homework. So let's get started. Number 1. Multiply using fraction form and unit form. Check your answer by counting the decimal places. The first one is done for you. So A, 3.3 times 1.6. That's 33 tenths times 16 tenths. So you wrote it 33 times 16 over 100 because 10 times 10 is 100. So now they did 33 tenths times 16 tenths. They didn't put the decimal place in, instead they just wrote the tenths after. So they got 528, but it's 528 hundredths because 10 times 10 is 100. So as fraction form, that's 528 over 100, which will give you 5.28. Alright, so let's try B. 3.3 times 0.8. That's 33 tenths times 8 tenths. You could say that's 33 times 8 over 100 because 10 times 10 is 100. So 33 times 8, 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 8 again is 24, plus 2 is 26. So 264 hundredths over 100, 2.64. Alright, C, 4.4 times 3.2. That's 44 tenths times 32 tenths. Okay, so 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 4 times 2 is 8 again. 4 times 3 is 12. And 3 times 4 again is 12, plus 1 is 13. So that's 1,408 hundred. Can we write that? That's 44 times 32 over 100, which is 1,408 over 100. That's 14.08. Alright, D, 2.2 times 1.6. 22 tenths times 16 tenths. That's 22 times 16 over 100. So 22 tenths times 16 tenths. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 6 again is 12, plus 1 is 13. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. So your answer is 352 hundredths over 100 was 3.52. Alright, now number 2. Multiply using fraction form and unit form. The first one is partially done for you. So 3.36 times 1.4, that's 336 hundredths times 14 tenths. So then we wrote it 336 times 14 over 1,000 because 100 times 10 is 1,000. So let's multiply here. 6 times 4, 4. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2 is 14. 3 times 4, 12, plus 1 is 13. 6, 3, 3. So 4,704 thousandths. That's how they got 4.704. So let's try B. 3.35 times 0.7. That's 3. So we can box that. 335 for 100 times 7 tenths equals 335 times 7 over 1,000. So 5 times 7 is 35. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 3 is 24. And 3 times 7 is 21, plus 2 is 23. So 2,345 thousandths. Alright, so that's 2,345 over 1,000. That's 2.345. Alright, C. 4.04 times 3.2. That's 404 hundredths times 32 tenths. Alright, and that's equal to 404 times 32 over 1,000. Tenths. Alright, 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1, and 3 times 4 again is 12. So 12,928 thousandths. It's 12.928. Alright, now D. 4.4 times 0.16. That's 44 tenths times 16 hundredths. And by the way, I see that because you'd see where the decimal point is. There is two numbers after the decimal point. So for 16 hundredths, that would be 16 hundredths because there's 2 zeros and 100, by the way. So now we have 44 times 16 over 1,000. Times 1600. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 6 is 24, plus 2 is 26. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 4 is 4. So the 704 thousandths. Oh. Wait, no. 0.704. Alright, next page. Number 3, solve using the standard algorithm. Show your thinking about the units of your product. First one is done for you. So A, 3.2 times 0.6. 32 tenths times 6 tenths is 192 hundredths because 10 times 10 is 100. And here they wrote 32 over 10 times 6 over 10 is 32 times 6 over 100 to show the units. So B, 2.3 times 2.1, that's 23 tenths times 21 tenths, which is 23 times 21 over 100. So 23 tenths times 21 tenths, 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 2 is 2, add a 0, 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 times 2 is 4. So you get 483 hundredths. That's 4.83. All right, now see 7.41 times 3.4. All right, so 7.41, that's 741 times 34 tenths. Okay, right. So 1 times 4 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 7 times 4 is 28. Plus 1 is 29. Oh no. 0. That's 3. 12. And 3 times 7 is 21. Plus 1 is 22. 4, 9. That's 2, 5, 1, 9, 4. Thousandths. So thousandths, so that'd be right here. Alright, D. 6.50 times 4.5. That's 6. You can think of it as 65 tenths times 45 tenths equals 65 times 45 over 100. Tenths. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30, plus 2 is 32. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24, plus 2 is 26. Alright, so we get 2,925 hundredths. So that'd be right here. 29.25. Alright. So now number 4. Eric buys 2.5 pounds of cashews. If each pound of cashews costs $7.70, how much will he pay for the cashews? So 2.5, so 7.70 times 2.5 equals 77 tenths times 25 tenths equals 77 times 25 over 100. So 77 tenths times 25 tenths. Alright, 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 5 again is 35, plus 3 is 38. 0, 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15. 5, 12. So that's 1,925 hundredths. So it's 19.25. So that means you'll pay $19.25. Alright, number 5. The swimming pool at a park measures 9.75 meters by 7.2 meters. Find the area. So multiply those two numbers because length times width. Equals 9.7. Yeah. 975 over 100 times 72 over 10. Alright, so times 72 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15. 2 times 9 is 18, plus 1 is 19. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 7 is 49, plus 3 is 52. And 7 times 9 is 63, plus 5 is 68. 10. So 70200. That's 70.2. So the area is 70.2 meters squared. Alright. So B, the area of the playground is 1.5 times that of the swimming pool. Find the total area of the swimming pool and the playground. So first we need to find the area of the playground. So it's 1.5 times the area of the swimming pool. So 1.5. That's equal to 15. 702 tenths times 702 over 100. Tenths times 700. Actually, I think we should write the bigger number on top. Tenths. So 2 times 5 is 10. 0 times 5 is 0, plus 1 is 1. 7 times 5 is 35. Add a 0. Just multiply everything by 1. It's 2, 7, 0, 3, 5, 10. So that's equal to 105, 100. So that's 5.3. But the area of the playground and the swimming pool. So 105.3 plus 70.2. So 175 is the answer. The total area is 175.5 meters. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps out my channel. See you guys next time. Bye!